Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in forever. Happy fall. Happy fall. La, 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 la. Guys, we're gonna get into some really awesome fall decors that you can do from the dollar store. Okay. It's fantastic. Living in this new apartment with my roommate gives me something to do, which is to decorate, which let's be honest, no matter where I live, I'm gonna have to decorate. This is just who I am. I've came up with 6. Don't know why I came up with 5 fingers, 2 of which the nails are broken off of, but 6 DIYs for us to do today. So if you end up liking this video, hopefully you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already followed me on my socials, feel free to follow me on my socials, and leave a comment down below if you really feel like you had to. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you support the crazy fam. Do you feel it? Do you feel it a little bit? Do you feel it a little bit? Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna get into it.
First up, bean candle holder, one of my favorites. The few things you'll need for this one are gonna be glass bowls or glass cups, tea light candles, twine, some beans, and tape. Optional purposes, you can have some spray paint, and you can find all of these from the dollar store. I wrapped up the glasses with the tape, and then I spray painted them. That's for the optional portion, that if you want to spray paint, then you can go ahead and do so. And I went ahead and did it in an open, ventilated area. Make sure you don't do this in your house. Make sure you do it outside, because then it's really hard for you to breathe. On the second glass, I kind of variated with the tape so I can give it different proportions to what I spray painted. Now, if you don't spray paint, the easy thing about this DIY is all you have to do is put the beans in the cups, fill it up to your desired amount, and add a tea light, and then you're good. For this DIY, you're going to need gifting shredded paper, mason jars, and candy. Now, the twine in this DIY is just as optional as the one for the candles, but I think it adds a nice touch to it. What I love about this DIY is that you can transition this from season to season, so go ahead and go crazy and have fun with it. Now, the fall leaf tray is a fantastic addition to your fall decor. All you need is a pizza pan from Dollar Tree, burlap leaves, and also various other leaves, which you can all find from the dollar store. Once you've positioned them, all you have to do is glue them down with a glue gun, and then after that, go ahead and spray paint them. This makes a great addition to any part of your house that you want to spruce up, because it makes a great centerpiece. Now, the marble pumpkins are fairly easy. You can either spray paint them or leave them as is. You'll need pumpkins, either styrofoam or plastic. I use E600 glue to put 2 together. That's optional. Then you'll need a container to fill it with water and nail polish of your choosing. When you do that, you'll go ahead, when you're ready, to dip the pumpkins into the water. And there you go. For the leaf picture frame, what you're gonna need are picture frames, leaves, flowers, and E600 glue. What you can also incorporate are fall words or terms like harvest, grateful, blessed, or even thank you. When you get the chance to finish cutting those out, you can go ahead and Mod Podge them to one side of the frame. After doing that, you can go ahead and place the leaves and flowers accordingly to your desire. Once that's done, you're going to place E600 glue all around the frame of the picture frame. Then place them together and let it settle for a couple of hours. I went ahead and left it for the rest of the day. Once that's done, you have your leaf frame. Lastly, we have the leaf wreath. What you'll need is the Reframe. You can get that from the Dollar Tree or Michael's, some flowers with their stems still attached to it. You're going to want to wrap the flowers around the wreath to your desired amount. When you're done, you can get some command strips to attach to them, and then after that, place it to where you would like. If the command strips don't work, feel free to use some twine to hang it wherever you need to. And that's it.
Alright guys, so that was it. That was the entirety of the videos. I have to say my favorite one was the bean candle one, just because it was the easiest. The other ones I really liked, but I feel like if I was able to find these items already spray painted, it would have cut out some time for me, you know? I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys for the next video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, you just go. Don't do any more. No. You don't have to put the thumb down. Or you don't even have to comment negatively. Like, just act like, wow, I just wasted a couple of minutes of my life. And then go into your history and then just delete. So that way, like, it won't hurt me and it won't hurt you as much anymore. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Know you better. Baby, I know you better.